morning, guys. Good morning. Don't mind the look. Mommy and I are going for a walk. Mommy's not feeling so well and stuff. And as I said in a few vlogs back, that I'm getting too fat. So we're gonna do an early morning walk. Oh, I'm back. As you can see, I'm back in New York and stuff and ting. But I look for some pictures from Jamaica and I was belly big. So me and mommy I'll go walk right about now and stuff. Get a little early morning walk. Church is about to start right now, so we're not gonna stay long because we'll come back and watch church service. So I could go on the road and stuff. I have my hair to wash today and my wig to apply and some kitchen stuff. So let's go. I don't know if yeah, come. We'll go outside. So come. My gosh, a bit sun out here. Well, we put on sunscreen and stuff, so we're just going down the road here a little bit. Come back up on the main road. You want to go on the main road?
Yeah.
Why?
Back there, right?
Yeah, but on the main road. I'm about to do. Alright, so she said she's going on the main road, so we'll go up here, so we'll go around, come back. And think people in that church. And I'm a true Jew shirt. I think so. Yeah, it's good. All right. You want me? So we're gonna take a little sit down. Mommy blood around hot. So she itch. Yeah. You see, I she get it from when I saw mommy they go to the hospital. Daddy blood run hot. And then mommy have some itching or what do you call it? When our blood too active. So the two of them I must have it bad. But we're there sit down. A little boy down there started riding bicycles, we're enjoying the show. Just sit right here so that the cool shade. I relax and think. Yeah. It's nice to be outside in early morning. It's nice. This is nice. Guys, big jump. But because I'm always late for stuff, I could have a vlog when I was getting ready. So my girlie and I were heading to Cantina. We're heading to Cantina rooftop and such. So I'm waiting on her to come and such. She's supposed to be a minute away. Yeah, she just texted me that she's a minute away. So we're gonna have a little Memorial Day vibe and such. Yeah, so just waiting to see what goes on. People, my friend in a big vehicle. Watch here. See my little vehicle right as well? Watch her. So mama come out. Watch ya, people. Watch ya. Come on, come right over here. Come right over here. Jesus. She outside it up? Oh my God. What? Where's that? I'm dead. Let me see the tattoo on the next side of me, please. Turn, yes, Lord. Blend on all these things. Come before we leave for the apartment, please. I beg you.
Is this a wood shop? Wood shop?
gonna get what you're gonna get. You wanna get tacos? Which one is the most popular?
Dips or whips, the video.
Yeah, can I get that one?
You want one order or two orders of fries?
Two orders. Is it big or?
It's about, I think you can charge them the price.
Let's share, yes, let's share it then. You want regular fries, right?
You guys ready to order three?
It's on the same menu here?
Yeah, just take the go down, I think. I'm gonna send them food and I'll be back.
Alright, I need to get both of us. Where I get that cocktail? Virgin passion fruit. I don't want to virgin. You don't have work tomorrow. I have work. You're working in the afternoon. You can sleep it off. You're going alcohol. I don't remember what oh, this is our a taco, right? It's a taco. So it's a beef taco. It's a beef taco. She got a quesadilla, but she wanted one of this as well. And we got a french fry to share. And I got the llama something. And she got some, what's that called? Pina colada. Pina colada. So yeah. Your belly full? Mine too. The corn is good. Oh my god.
I just stay there. Don't tolerate, don't tolerate.
I am not. Mighty. Okay, guys, no, we can't see, right? We can't see each other. Hey, we get glasses for our work, you know? We got Prada, she got Gucci outside. What you want? Authentic things. Authentic things. So, y'all see this? Y'all see this ceiling though? Oh my god, it's such a vibe. The music, but them don't cater to Caribbean. English. Only Spanish. So, chug it. Chug it. Chug it. Chug it. Chug it. Taking a brain freeze. Not even cool. That's how. What's the word? Guys, we're in the city.
We outside! 12 ladies! Go!
She want
Yeah! Come on!
time she come from.
I think too long. She wanna dance.
My kakara.
Step.
I know they
disappointed right now because she was supposed to be taking a video of the guy taking. I'm talking. She was supposed to be taking a video of me with the guy taking the picture, and she failed to do so.
I hope so.
So I'm mad right now. I don't want to go home because I'm mad. And she does have me going here live, and I'm irritated. Come along.
Pretty young, not only look good on the ground. Got your body where I'm at them man. I will own money we not touch on. Yeah, in the mall, just 3 over clean. Them can't keep up to speed. I will never have to compete.
Let's go. We're trying to go home now. That's right.
No.
But can you find where you need to go, please? Aren't we done?
We are? Oh, we could take the thing from here.
Huh?
We could go here.